is steps. First step right, second step left, third step right and long, and fourth step left and short. When do we throw the ball? Throw the ball after the first and second steps. Hold the ball with both hands or with the opposite hand. The ball should not rotate. The ball must be stable. Because if the ball rotates, the desired wave will not be created. Throw the ball close to the line and break your wrist when you hit the ball.